Insert the bootable USB drive. Insert the USB drive into an available port on your HP laptop. Power on your laptop and immediately start pressing the F9 key repeatedly to access the boot menu. Select the USB drive as the boot device. Begin Windows installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the Windows installation. Choose your language, time, and keyboard preferences. Click Install Now and enter your Windows product key when prompted, or select I don't have a product key if you want to enter it later. Read the license terms carefully. Check the box to accept the license terms. Click Next to proceed. Select Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced. This option allows for a clean installation of Windows. You will see a list of available drives and partitions. Select the partition where you want to install Windows. If you want to perform a clean installation and remove all existing data, you can delete the existing partitions and create new ones. Note: deleting a partition will erase all data on it. Click Next after selecting the partition for installation. Windows will begin copying files, installing features, and installing updates. This process may take some time, and your laptop may restart several times. Once the installation process is complete, you will be guided through the initial setup. Select your region and keyboard layout. Connect a Wi-Fi network or skip this step if you prefer to set it up later. Sign in with a Microsoft account or create a local account. Set up Windows Hello if your laptop supports it, or skip this step. Choose privacy settings and configure them according to your preferences. After reaching the Windows desktop, connect to the internet if you haven't done so already. Run Windows Update to download and install the latest updates and drivers. Visit the HP support website to download and install any specific drivers for your laptop model.
Goodbye, goodbye, go second. Not again.